Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making ground beef and cabbage. The ingredients that we're going to need today is a half a head of cabbage. I sliced mine thinly. 1 pound of ground beef, parsley flakes, 1 medium onion diced, 1 cup of beef broth, 1 15.5 ounce can of petite diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. In a heated skillet over medium heat, I'm going to add in my tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my onion. We're going to let our onions saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Now you want to add in your minced garlic. And you want to saute that for 1 minute. Now you can add in your ground beef. You want to begin to break down your ground beef and make sure it's mixed well with your garlic and onion. Now you want to continue to let your ground beef cook until it's all the way brown. Now you want to get a bowl. We're going to add in our chicken bouillon, our onion powder, our garlic powder, our smoked paprika, ground cumin, and ground black pepper. And now all you want to do is mix it together until it's well combined. Once your ground beef is done, you want to remove all excess grease. Once you drained your ground beef, we're going to add in our seasoning. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Now you can add in your petite diced tomatoes. Mix until well combined. Now you can add in your cabbage. Now you can add in your beef broth. Now just mix until it's well combined. Now you can add your lid over top, and we're going to lower it to low and let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to go in and mix it. And guys, you can go ahead and give it a taste to see if the flavors are where you want it at, and if your cabbage is the right tenderness for you. If you wanted your cabbage a little bit more tender, all you have to do is put the lid over top because there is still juice at the bottom, just for a couple more minutes or so. Okay guys, so these next 3 ingredients, you don't have to add them if you don't want to. They're optional. I'm going to add in my tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, my tablespoon of soy sauce, and my crushed red pepper flakes. You just want to mix them until it's well combined. Then you can turn off your heat. Okay guys, so here we have it, our ground beef and cabbage. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley flakes over top. This is so delicious. It has nice flavors to it. Your whole family will love it. And guys, this is a budget-friendly meal that can be made in 20 minutes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?